Hi, welcome to Salesforce Textbook. In this session, we are going to discuss about how to add knowledge articles to our Experience Cloud site and how to organize the content with topics. What is knowledge article? Knowledge article helps our users to quickly find answers to their questions without contacting customer support agents. Knowledge articles are like self-service for our customers to resolve their issues, and it helps agents to solve their cases in a faster way. For example, if our customer is not able to install solar panels, so instead of customer raising a case for that issue, if we provide a knowledge article with installation steps, then customer can refer that article and resolve his issue. So it provides a greater customer satisfaction and faster issue resolution. This is the biggest advantage with knowledge articles. I have already enabled the knowledge. Now we will check how to check whether the knowledge is enabled or not. Go to our R. In quick find, search for knowledge. Select knowledge settings. Under lightning knowledge settings, make sure that this checkbox enable lightning knowledge is enabled. Once we enable the knowledge, we cannot disable it. And once the knowledge is enabled, knowledge object is created. So go to app launcher, search for knowledge object or select any app. I am selecting service app. Go to knowledge tab. Here select published articles. I have created these articles. To create the new knowledge article, click on new and we have to enter these details: title, URL name, question and answer. And according to our requirement, we have to enable these checkboxes. If we enable this checkbox visible to customer, then customer can view the knowledge articles. If we enable visible to partner, then partners can be able to see the knowledge articles. If we enable visible in public knowledge base, then the knowledge articles are available in knowledge base. In this way, we have to create the knowledge articles. Now we will see how to add these knowledge articles to our Experience Cloud. For that, click on gear icon, click on setup. To add the knowledge articles to the Experience Cloud, first we must enable the topics for objects. Without enabling topics, articles will not be visible to the external users. So to enable the topics, in quick find search for topics. Select topics for objects. Under object, select knowledge object. And we have to enable this checkbox, enable topics. And whatever the fields we want to display to the users, we can select here. I am selecting answer, question, title and summary. Click on save. Now we have enabled the topics for knowledge object. Now we will enable feed tracking for knowledge object. If we enable feed tracking for knowledge, then users will get the notifications if there are any changes in the knowledge object. To enable feed tracking, in quick find search for feed tracking. Select feed tracking. Under object, select knowledge. And enable this checkbox, enable feed tracking. And click on save. Now the feed tracking is enabled. Now we have to create the topics. To create the topics, we will go to the site. To go to our site, in quick find enter digital experiences. Click on all sites. Click on Builder next to our site. To create the topics, go to Content Management. Click on Topics. Here we cannot find any topics. Now go to Navigational Topics and create the navigational topics here. Enter the name of the topic, solar panels. Click on Add, solar inverters. Click on Add, solar batteries. Click on Add and click on Save. Now the navigational topics are added. Now go to Feature Topics. And select the topic here. Select solar panels. Click on Add. Select solar inverters. Click on Add. Select solar batteries. Click on Add. Now we have to add the images to these topics. To add the images, click on this pencil symbol. Upload solar panels image. Now upload solar inverters. Upload solar batteries. Click on Save. Now we have created the navigational topics and feature topics. Now go to topics again. Here we can see the navigational and feature topics. Now we will add these topics to the knowledge articles. To add the topics to knowledge articles, go to article management. These are the articles we have created. Now we will add the topics to these articles. To add the topics, click on this pencil icon. Here, how to clean and maintain your solar panels. This is related to solar panels. So add the topic solar panels. Click on Save. This article is related to solar battery. So add solar battery as topic. This is related to solar panels. This is related to solar inverters. And click on Save. This is how we can add the topics to the articles. Now we will add these navigational topics and feature topics to the builder. So navigate to builder. Here we used the customer service template to build our site. For customer service template, featured topics comes with the template. So no need to add this feature topics component. If we want to add this component, go to component panels and drag and drop that featured images component. This one. Now I want to add top articles by topic to show the top articles. So drag and drop this component. Here we have to select the number of articles displayed. I have selected 5. Now we will add the navigational topics. To add the navigational topics, go to navigation menu and click on this navigation menu. Click on edit default navigation. Click on add menu item and give the menu item name. I am giving topics. Select the type, navigational topic, and select publicly available and click on save menu. Now the navigational topics are added. Now we will see how our customer users can view these articles. But to give the access to the knowledge articles to the users, we have to do some modifications to the profile. So to do the modifications to the profile, go to setup. In quick find, search for users. Select users. I have already created one user, Krishna. So click on edit. And under user level, we have to enable this checkbox, knowledge user. And the profile assigned to this user is customer user profile. So we have to do the modifications to customer user profile. Click on save. To do the modifications to profile, in quick find search for profiles. Select profiles. Select customer user profile. This is the customer user. Search for knowledge. Here in article type layout, click on view assignment. Click on edit assignment. Here select customer user profile. Customer user. And select the page layout to use. Select lightning knowledge FAQ layout and click on save. Now go back to the profile. Under custom field level security, click on view next to knowledge. And we have click on edit. And we have to enable these checkboxes, read access and edit access to answer and question. Click on save. Click on back to profile. Here in custom record type settings, click on edit and here select FAQ and click on save. And we have to enable this checkbox knowledge one. And we have to give the read and create access to the knowledge. To give this access, click on edit and enable these checkboxes read and create and click on save. Now go to the builder. Go to feature topics and select most recent activity here and click on publish. Click on publish. Click on got it. Now we will check how our customer user Krishna can view these articles. I have already logged into our site as user Krishna by using his username and password. Before adding knowledge articles, he can view the site like this. Refresh this page. Now he can view the featured topics, top articles, and navigational topics. Click on this featured topic, solar panels. Click on articles. These are the articles related to solar panels. Click on this article. He can view the articles like this. This is how the customer users can view the articles and resolve his issues. In this way, we can add knowledge articles to the Experience Cloud. These are the references. Please go through those references. Please subscribe to Salesforce Textbook. Thank you.